Hi everybody, this is Laura Roth, Program Delivery Partner for First Tech Challenge, Missouri and Kansas, along with my co-partner, Tom McGovern. I'm the gal who does the Tech Tuesdays. So you're going to get a Tech Tuesday inside a Tech Tuesday today. So in the last couple of Tech Tuesdays, we've had stories about where exactly can I find my meet assignments. So there's two places to look for your meet assignments. The first one is your coach dashboard. Now, I'm not a coach. I don't have a dashboard. I don't have access to a dashboard. I had to call somebody to say, hey, pull up your dashboard for me, please, and take some screenshots. So if you go to your first dashboard at the bottom, you've got the 4 columns. Go to Team Events. The trick to Team Events is the only thing it's going to show you under Team Events. If you go to View Team Events, where this little hover is at the moment, are events that you schedule through first, so that you would have put through on your dashboard. And the only thing that is for First Tech Challenge is World Championship in Houston. So there's not going to be anything showing under Team Events. What you need to do is click to go to FTC Scoring. And when you go to FTC Scoring, as a coach, all you're going to see are the events that your team has signed up for. Again, if I show you my FTC Scoring, totally different because I'm seeing the whole state. The other thing we talked about in here was the FTC Events and to enter your team number in the function. So I'm going to go up here and click on the FTC Events webpage, and it's going to pop me over to ftc-events.firstinspires.org/2021. This is where I want to be. It's going to get me to the Freight Frenzy page. And mine has got the cookies. So I'm already at the Missouri page. When you see it in the beginning, you'll see everybody. So if I go back to all regions, update the list, you can see lots of things start happening the week of November 8th. There's a lot of events there. We don't have any until, here we go. There's the first Missouri event. So it's crazy to try to scroll through everybody's events. So you want to go to the Missouri only updated list. That gives you all the events that we are hosting for First Tech Challenge in Missouri and Kansas. So all the meets starting on the 20th of November with a meet all the way through to the beginning of league tournaments here. This one will be January 29th for KC East, and wrapping up finally at the Missouri-Kansas Championship on March 5th. That's the whole season. Those are all the events. You can click on them. You can try to hunt through there. That'll make you crazy. Absolutely crazy. So you want to come up here at the top and you want to put in your team number. I'm going to use team 288 because they're the oldest team in Missouri and they're the top of my list every time. And so Spare Parts has the Webster Groves meet, has the Oakville High meet in the morning, that's an AM/PM, has St. Joseph's Academy meet, and then is automatically assigned to their league tournament. This team is in the STL South League, and so they'll be playing at that tournament. The process that we did, a very manual process, right? Everybody go in, fill out the Google Sheet for your teams, which meets you were interested in. So in the first round, you were asked preference 3 so that we could get you 2. That's all you were doing in that first round, was getting your 2, because that was the minimum we were wanting to get everyone. 2 meets lets you get 10 match scores or 12 match scores, which gets you the opportunity to pick, the system picks the top 10 for you to carry into your league tournament. Anybody that wanted to play a third, that opportunity started a week ago Friday, to put your third meet choices in, and we let that go for a week. At this point, we have worked through everybody, right? We had done that. We've been updating what was available. We've placed everybody into FTC scoring, and so the FTC scoring system is what drives the information to FTC events. And really, they think of it as results, but we're like, this is the quickest way to do it without recreating the wheel. So 288 has 3 meets and a league tournament. If we want to see where their meet is, They are at Webster Groves High School. Here's the address. It's a link to a Google map, so you can get your directions right there. We're going to go back and look at what else we can find on this screen. And so meets have a max capacity of 12. This one tells you there's 12 teams already competing. There's no openings at this meet to add additional teams. Here's all the teams that are playing. At this point in the season, if I click on a number, I'm going to go to a results page that's going to tell me they haven't participated in any events, they don't have any awards this season. I could go back and look at their previous seasons to see what they did. Doesn't really apply to anything this year. And so it'll show, once we get there, it'll show the qualifying matches, and it tells you this event begins on Saturday, December the 4th. So that's the first time you'll see matches. If you league rankings, this meet is part of the STL South League, and there are 28 teams in the league, and so it will rank them. Once they start playing, you'll see people come up, the order will change. Right now it's numerical. The order will change, and it'll show how many matches people have played and what their high score was within the league. There's no playoffs or awards to a meet. So that's the way to go. If you, again, are back here at the home screen and you're on a desktop, you're going to get the code team number entry point to fill out. If you're on a mobile, you're not going to see it that way. It doesn't display exactly the same. You'll have the 3 lines for the menu in the upper right. Click on that, and then the event pops up. So I need everybody to go and check your teams. Make sure it's where you thought you were playing. Make sure you have the dates and the times right. Schedule your buses. If anything looks weird, give us a call. Let us know. We'll tell you that we're sorry, that we're not perfect. There may be some mistakes. If you don't have a third meet, there are still a few, very, very few spots left. And you would probably have to travel to get there. But we can talk about it. So emails to ftc@stlfirst.org if you have any questions or concerns. And I hope this video helps. Thanks. Bye.